everyone, it's Joe from Joey Super Cool Food Reviews. Okay, everybody, today I'm doing
honey mustard barbecue.
That's right, it's finger looking gold. Yee! Oh. Well, check this out. So what do you think about that, muchachos? Pretty sweet and stuff, huh? So, KFC Georgia Gold
Honey mustard barbecue.
It's finger looking gold. Woo, 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 woo. So, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? The crispy chicken tenders. You can also get like a drumstick or a thigh. It's up to you. So here we go, everyone. I'm gonna give this a taste. Wow, that's really good. It's very subtle. Just a little hint of spiciness to this. And that honey barbecue just envelops your palate. And you got the crispiness of the chicken. And the way that chicken batter is just beautiful. Kind of just melts in your mouth at the same time. And the chicken is... This is really good. Hi everyone, this is Joe for Joey Super Cool Food Reviews. Back. It's gonna be so good. Gobble, gobble, gobble. And I'm doing the chicken avocado taco platter. That's right. Let me give you a little background on the nutritional facts of that. 980 calories, 52 grams of fat, 46 grams of total fat, 88 grams of fat, 12 grams of saturated fat, 0 grams of trans fat, 145 milligrams of fat, 11 grams of fat, 2,555 milligrams of fat, 13 grams of fat. And if you take all those in, you might end up diabetes. Anyway, so you have the chicken avocado platter, and let's see what this thing looks like. Okay, YouTubers, this is the chicken avocado platter, or the taco platter from El Pollo Loco. Gobble, gobble, gobble. So what do you think about that, muchachos and muchachas? Pretty neat stuff, huh? Don't you love tacos? I totally love
Tacos.
And it's just a chicken avocado taco platter from El Pollo Loco.
Gobble, gobble.
Anyways, so we saw what it looks like. It's really not a platter. I mean, it comes with, you know.